It's 1840. You want to be president. There's no TV. There's no Twitter. There's no awkward podcast interview. So what do? You throw a party. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Early presidential campaigns were basically music festivals. William Henry Harrison's campaign rolled a 10-foot ball of tin and paper from town to town. That's literally where "keep the ball rolling" comes from. And the candidates themselves? They stayed home. Campaigning for yourself was considered embarrassing. So armies of supporters did it for them, with parades, free whiskey, and songs so catchy people hummed them at work. George Washington won votes with 160 gallons of booze. Lincoln won with his face on buttons, banners, and cards people collected like Pokémon. So next time a campaign ad interrupts your video, remember, at least they used to bring whiskey.